Bye bye, Amsterdam.
Kaiser's
See
Club,
you next
Later.
time.
Emperor's Canal.
Come with us on another adventurous family trip to the Netherlands. We will be hopping between Amsterdam and Rotterdam for the first part of our trip. Then we will also be going to Germany on this trip. So we decided to fly out of Orlando International Airport, which is about an hour and a half away from our home. We opted into this airport because of the convenience of less layovers and more direct flights compared to Tampa Airport. It's also a much easier airport to travel with kids as well. So we flew about 8 hours non-stop to London Gatwick from Orlando. We traveled with British Airways, which is our number one choice for international flights. British Airways has everything that we need as a family traveling with kids. The amenities, food, and entertainment is truly amazing. The kids had a great flight throughout with no worries whatsoever. We landed at London Gatwick, where we initially had a 2-hour layover. Unfortunately, we missed our flight because Gatwick does not have flight connections from the terminal. We had to go all the way to baggage claim as if exiting the airport, and then go back through security, which caused us to miss our connecting flight to Amsterdam. We then had to rebook to another flight to Amsterdam, which was 8 hours later. So we decided to stay at the British Airways Lounge, which I must say was amazing. It was actually no different from spending the day at home. We had unlimited food, drinks, and snacks, entertainment for the kids, and places to take a quick nap in between the waiting. British Airways made our waiting time much more enjoyable. I highly recommend their airlines, especially for kids. We caught our flight to Amsterdam, which was about an hour and 20 minutes from Gatwick. We arrived at Amsterdam International Airport and made our way to the rental area to pick up our rental that we would be using to get us around Amsterdam, Germany, and Belgium on this trip. Say Amsterdam! Here we come!
Amsterdam.
Here we come!
Here we come.
Alright, we got our car. We're about to head out. We decided to stay in Rotterdam at Hotel Gorinchem to attend a family wedding. The hotel was quite pleasant and had enough amenities for us to enjoy while staying there. We got a king-size room with the option to put an additional bed for the kids. Not a bad option for a 2-night stay in the city. They also had a wonderful breakfast cafe with everything you could think of. Quite a delectable spread if you ask me. I am a huge fan of croissants and they delivered on that. Also, it's included with your stay. So no additional cost for a warm breakfast.
Hi guys, we're
having our
eating.
last breakfast at hotel.
Yeah, we're eating like pork and candy.
Gorinchem.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, kids and family. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
After all the wedding festivities, we decided that we were going to go to the city of Amsterdam. It was highly advised not to drive into the city, but to park on the outskirts of the city, then take the train to get there because of the cost for parking in the city. So we found a park and ride at Olympic Stadium. We parked at this station where we would be able to catch the train to get into the city. Where we parked, there was a short walking distance. So we decided to hop on the bus so that the kids could also experience that as well. We purchased tickets at the kiosk at the bus stop for a day pass that would also cover the train. Once on the bus, we scanned our passes and rode the bus to the train station. Make sure to scan yourself out at the bus before exiting so that you can get a discount on parking at the garage. We got to the train station and waited for the train that would take us directly into the city of Amsterdam.
This way! I wanna be in the
Just don't let the train just...
Station Zuid, uitstappen naar Mercedes. Overstappen op meter 52, en 25, dus 15.
Whoa, broken. That looked like a broken city. No, I saw that. I already know that. When we were driving.
We arrived at Central Station, the main city center of Amsterdam, and was ready for a day of adventure.
Then you go first.
No.
Go. Stay there. Go. Then you go.
Mommy, you can go.
Just in time for Amsterdam show.
Oh, yeah, it's deep water. That's
Oh, stay on the road! Devin, out the road, Devin. Wow. Welcome to Amsterdam! Our first must-do activity was to do a canal cruise. We purchased tickets from Stroma Canal Tours. You can also purchase them online as well. We opted in for a boat with both an open and an interior area because it was a bit rainy that day. We sat in the open area so that we could get a good view of Amsterdam from the canal. We're about to head out on the boat.
Yeah.
Everybody say hello.
No.
We're on our boat ride, guys. Bye-bye. The city of Amsterdam is breathtakingly beautiful. I love how the houses are unique and vibrant as you travel along the canal. As we cruised along the canal, we were told about the history of Amsterdam and the many different historic buildings and unique houseboats. It is definitely a must-do attraction for Amsterdam, especially with kids.
Out to sea. The journeys were long and difficult, and not everyone returned. Legend has it that the women who loved them also came here to say goodbye, perhaps forever.
Going to the bed and then we're going to. No, that's the bed.
How was that? We finished our canal cruise and we wanted to move around to different locations and decided to hop on the bus. The daily transportation tickets can be used here as well to get around. I heard a lot of good things about the Anne Frank house, so we wanted to go on that side to see what the rave was. Anne Frank's house, as I mentioned previously, was considered a must-do attraction. However, we discovered while getting there that tickets have to be bought 6 weeks in advance of your visit and can only be done online every Tuesday at 10 a.m. So unfortunately, we had to take that off our to-do list. So definitely plan ahead for this attraction. The Anne Frank House is a museum dedicated to a Jewish girl named Anne Frank, who kept a diary of events that happened during World War II when Germany occupied the Netherlands. Anne Frank hid from Nazi persecution with her family and 4 other people in hidden rooms of a canal house, later known as the Secret Annex. Even though, unfortunately, she did not survive the war, her diary, however, was published in 1947. When you visit, you will be taken on an audio tour that highlights quotes, videos, photos, and original items of what happened there. We decided to continue our tour around the city while stopping to take amazing photos and also look if we could find Amsterdam's Tulip Museum. This museum covers the history of the flowers movement, starting in Central Asia, then along the trade routes to Turkey, Ottoman Empire, and all the way to Europe. The Netherlands today is known as the largest provider of flower bulbs, mostly tulips, traded worldwide. You do have to, however, pay to see the actual museum. We opted out from this attraction because the kids were a bit hungry at this point. As we strolled along the streets, we were also looking for a place to eat that the kids will enjoy. We decided to eat at Samui Thai. Yes, I know we are in Amsterdam, but we have kids and food that is familiar to them is a plus for us. So Thai with the noodles is something I know they will eat. The food was actually good. Our next must-do for the day is to find some famous stroopwafels, a snack that is a must-have when in Amsterdam. The kids got away in this spot. They also got to see firsthand how the waffles are made from scratch, which was awesome. Our day has ended in the city of Amsterdam, and we caught the bus back to the central station, where we would be heading back to Rotterdam. Bye-bye, Amsterdam. See you next time. So Amsterdam, beautiful city. Everything was beautiful. It's a must-do. You put it on your bucket list. Our next stop on our family adventure will be to the country of Germany, where we will be visiting the famous theme park Phantasialand. So join us in that episode. If you like our channel and want to be a part of our adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on family and couples travel worldwide. I hope that this channel will inspire and encourage you to take more family adventures and enjoy all that life has to offer you. Until next time, one love.